आपके पास 10 मिनट है। क्या आप 10 मिनट पूरा दिन में मेरे को दे सकते हो? अगर 10 मिनट दोगे एक दिन में, 10 मिनट ओनली 10 मिनट्स इफ़ यू गिव मी, आई कैन गिव यू 100% एश्योर टू रिड्यूस लव हैंडल एंड साइड फैट। अगर मैं आपको 100% मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि अगर आप 10 मिनट दोगे मुझे हर रोज़, तो 2 से 3 हफ्ते के अंदर आपका जो साइड फैट है, आपका जो लव हैंडल है, डेफिनेटली रिड्यूस होगा। तो चलिए आज का जो सेशन है बहुत सुपर डुपर एक्सरसाइज होने वाला है। प्लीज़ इसको देखते ही आप एक बार एटलीस्ट 1 to 2 टाइम्स आप एक्सरसाइज करो, उसके बाद ही आपको पता लगेगा कि क्या है कि नहीं। ओके, अगर चैनल में नया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन। बहुत सुपर डुपर एक्सरसाइज है और हमेशा की तरह मेरे साथ आज भी मेरा सिस्टर रहने वाली है। तो प्लीज़ चलिए मिल के एक्सरसाइज करते हैं आज का एक्सरसाइज फॉर रिड्यूस लव हैंडल एंड साइड फैट। Okay, the first exercise should be like this. You have to sit on any Padmasana or in a Sukhasana. Then both hands side up the body. First drop your right hand down and left hand over your head. Straight your elbow. Inhale center. Exhale to the left side down. Very good job. Inhale center. Exhale to the right side down. Inhale center. Exhale to the left side down. The last one, continue please. Inhale center, exhale to the right elbow straight down, straight down, straight down. Yeah, down, go, 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 go. Very good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same. Change your side. Come on. Inhale center, left hand straight down. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Okay, next exercise should be side plank. First, drop your right elbow down. Left hand straight up and try to both knee up. Yeah, hip up. Very good job. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Same. Change your side. Drop your... Okay, next drop your left elbow down. If you want, you can go for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. It's up to you. As much as possible, you can hold. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay, the same wise we are going to now this time. The first time we are already practiced drop elbow, but this time drop your palm. Okay, first come to plank pose. Plank pose में आपको आना है, धीरे धीरे बॉडी को आपको मूव करना है. Now raise your left hand up. Yes, twist your spine. Left leg back side. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Same way, change your side. Now this time drop your left palm down. First come to plank pose, then raise your right hand up. Look up, chin up. Yeah, hold on. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now next we are going to very effective exercise for reduce your belly fat and also reduce your love handle for side fat. Okay, we are going to practice now this time Russian twist. Okay, come on, let's go. 30 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. Next, very effective exercise. You have to lie down like this, sideways. Then drop your right elbow down, left hand back side of the head. Then raise your left leg up and fold your knees, knee to elbow. Continue. 1, yeah. 2, very good. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, come on, that's good. 3, very good job. 4, yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and the last one 10. Relax. Very good. Now change your side please. Same way. Each exercise you have to practice 3 sets at least, then you can get the result very fast. Okay, Drop your left elbow down this time, right hand back side of the head, and you should be normal breathing. Now right elbow to right knees. Okay, come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Very good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Come on. 9. Good job. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Please stand up. Now come to Dandasana. Okay. Now we have already practiced some exercise in the sitting. Now this time we are same exercise we have practiced on the standing. Both hand back side of the head. Now one by one, right elbow to right knee, left elbow to left knee. Continue. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 30 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very effective exercise. 9, 10, 9. Very good job. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very good job. Okay, next one more super duper exercise. Just try to follow. Right hand back side of the head, left hand back side of the back. Nice. Now right elbow to cross leg, right elbow to left knees, cross leg. Come on, 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will also reduce your belly fat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Change your leg. We are going to 10 times. Okay, come on, change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, one step open your leg, come to zigzag. Yeah, cross and zigzag. Come on, 20 to 30 times. Okay, let's go. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Stand up, legs together, both hand back side, and slowly twist your spine clockwise. Try to relax your body. Then reverse anti-clock, opposite side. Okay, relax. Okay, try to follow. Now next exercise should be raise your right leg over the wall. Yeah, little bit up. Okay, that's point. Right hand back side, both hand back side. Just twist your spine to the right side. Try to focus on your love handle. Okay, come on. 1, very good job. 2, what it should be straight. 3, 4, 5, down more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Okay, next change your leg, please. Now this time left leg up. Yeah, both hand back side. Twist your spine more. As much as possible you can down more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Very good. Okay, last but not the least, the last one is very super duper for my favorite. Legs together and slowly, so knee to palm. Yeah, touch. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. This is a very super duper exercise for reduce side fat, or you can say love handle. Just you have to practice this exercise every day, like at least 2 to 3 weeks. And like first you have to warm up 5 to 10 minutes, then you can do this exercise for 3 sets. Each exercise you have to practice 3 sets, otherwise you can complete 1 time, then again 2 times, then 3 times. Okay, it's a very super duper exercise. Please, अगर आपको नया टॉपिक के ऊपर वीडियो चाहते हो वो भी मेंशन करो, और कैसे लगा ये वीडियो वो भी आप मेंशन करना, ठीक है। मिलता है नया टॉपिक के साथ, तब तक लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। खुश रहिए और योगा बस हर रोज़ कीजिए। थैंक यू।